This is a mixer brush of a flower. I think it's a rose petal. And then set up. It's one that I think either I made, but it's my go-to brush for everything. I have tried to get to where I only use one brush, but I mean I use all that's available for different things, but I'm going to try to do this all with one brush because I was asked to. So I'm going to show you if I were to edit and only use one brush, this is going to be my go-to brush. And my Wacom tablet is pressure sensitive. I'm using an art pen. Art pen is not necessary. I can use my other one. But the Wacom pressure sensitive, so I am adding different pressure wherever I am. If you have any questions, you can send them to me. You're more than welcome to email me. Or my website is marjoriestallard.com, and you can email me. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, etc. I am a master photographer and a master artist. I do a lot of digital art now. Is where I primarily am. And I use Photoshop, Corel Painter, and I used to teach Corel Painter, and I still do some mentoring with that. And recently I have been helping with Procreate for the iPad, or the iPad Pro. Doesn't matter, it's just the same. And then I've started doing 3D work in DAZ Studios, where I'm actually not just doing the cutout type, paper doll type, but the creations. So I can always help in that stuff. But when I edit a photo, this is actually a copy that I save. This is not the original. I never make changes on my originals. And I'm just trying to show how quickly I can. I never put this much work into it. I shoot to where I can go straight out of the camera and then just do minor cleanups. But this is more work than I typically do. But I'm just doing it to show. Ooh. I definitely don't like to spend this much time on a photo because, yeah, you potentially lose money if you have a whole gallery and that's what you're doing. So the key is always shoot straight out of the camera. Get your lights and your camera settings right, and then just clean up. So for me, I think this looks pretty good. So that is at 5 minutes and 20 seconds. And if you have any questions, just let me know.